In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix video unavailable on Opera GX browser. If you're trying to watch a video in Opera GX and you're seeing a video unavailable message, there are several things you can check that may resolve the issue. Sometimes the problem is related to the video itself, while other times it can be caused by browser settings, cached data, or a VPN connection. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple troubleshooting steps that can help get your videos playing again. The first thing you should do is make sure the video is still available on the platform you're trying to watch it on. If the video has been removed, deleted, made private, or is no longer available in your region, Opera GX won't be able to play it. Verifying that the video is still accessible can save you time before making changes to your browser. If the video is still available, the next step is to make sure your VPN is turned off. Open Opera GX and click the Settings icon. Once the Settings page opens, find the VPN section and click on it. You'll see an option labeled Enable VPN with a toggle switch beside it. If the VPN is currently enabled, click the toggle to disable it. After turning the VPN off, return to the video page and see if it plays correctly. In some cases, a VPN connection can interfere with access to certain videos or streaming services. If the issue continues, open the Settings page again and select Privacy and Security. From there, click Delete Browsing Data. When the dialog appears, choose the All-Time Time Range. If you want to keep your browsing history, simply uncheck the History option so only cookies and cached files are cleared. Then click Delete Data to remove the selected browsing data. Once the process is complete, try opening the video again to see if the problem has been resolved. If the video is still unavailable, you can recover Opera GX by restoring its settings. Click the address bar and type opera://update, then press Enter. When the page opens, click Recover. You'll be presented with recovery options. Choose the first option, then click Recover to continue. Opera GX will restore the browser settings while keeping your important data, depending on the recovery option you selected. After the recovery process is finished, reopen the video and check whether it's playing normally. In many cases, one of these troubleshooting methods is enough to resolve the issue and restore normal video playback. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,